So we're gonna do normal schale and schale kalt. For that, we've already warmed up the cups, regular coffee cups. And what we do, pour the water out as usual, and we're gonna click number 5. Now, since there's 2 cups of coffee, and we can make it at the same time, we'll click here, schale, and we'll click twice, as you can see, to make it at the same time. This will allow us to be more efficient when we have a lot of customers, for example. So once that's done, the difference between normal schale and schale kalt is that the normal schale has hot milk, which is already in here, and we fill it up until basically the trim. We have to have in mind that in Switzerland, schale is basically done only in Switzerland. And what they believe is that schale is a milk drink, so we always fill it up to the trim of the coffee cup. So it has more, at least 50% of coffee, 50% of milk. Now in the schale kalt, we basically do the same but with cold milk, and we fill it up till the trim. Right. And then we simply present it as a normal coffee. Now, as it already has milk, instead of putting cream in it for the customer to put, we only add sugar and artificial sweetener for them. And we'll put them on top. 1 and 2. Finally, we're going to make the 2 last types of schale, so schale hell and schale dunkel. For that, we'll use the normal cup of coffee for the schale dunkel, and for the schale hell, we're going to use a teacup. This way, what we'll be able to do is put more than half of the drink with milk. So, following the step of what we did before, we're going to click twice on schale. There we go. Alright, so once we've done this, we take, for the schale dunkel, a little bit, just a teeny bit, a splash of hot milk. Just a little bit. That's good enough. And then for the schale hell, as you can see, there's only this much amount of coffee. So the rest of the cup, we'll fill it up with cold milk until there. Good. We can't see it here, but if this was transparent, we could see that this would be much darker than this one, which is basically milk with coffee. Up if anything. We're always cleaning up because it has to be, well, clean enough for the next person to use it and also clean. So for example, as we said before, the tube doesn't open and stick. There's no milk, where in this tube, for example, where the tube can stick and the water vapor won't come out. And so we take a couple normal spoons. We don't put any cream in it as we already added it, but we will put, as in the other 2 schales, we'll put some sugar and some artificial sweetener.